Minka air fan. Remote works by wall controller doesn't.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. Your question wasn't complete. I suspect you are having problems with the remote. Let me know for sure.
I just finished installing the fan. It has a remote and a wall controller. The remote works fine, but the wall controller WCS212 doesn't work at all.
Tell me exactly how you connected it.
Controller has 3 wires. It had a yellow with green tracer which was hooked up to the copper wire. It has 2 black wires. One black wire for fan was hooked up to the white wire. Other black wire for power supply was hooked up to black wire.
Please restate the wire connection at the controller. What was there before and how was it connected?
Before there was a single pole switch that controlled the old fan. It had a WHT and a black wire on the switch. In ceiling there was 2 wires coming in. I was told that this was normal in older houses. It was called a cold leg, I believe, but not 100%.
That's the problem. The controller needs a neutral and you don't have one.
According to instructions, it said do not connect neutral supply line to wall switch or damage could occur.
Can you upload the wiring schematic for the controller? I can't find one for that model onlne. I found it. Check the dip switch setting on the wall unit to make sure it is the same as the receiver and handheld remote. Mike G.41251.1980209838.
Thing that is weird is if I hold the stop button on either the wireless remote or the wall controller, the light/fan works as it should, but if I try to use the other source, wall controller, if I held down the stop button on wireless remote, it doesn't work.
Please explain your reply.
Reading some of comments on their website, I believe it's a limitation on the device itself. It cannot work both remote and wall controller in tandem.
Both wall and remote should work if set with the same codes. Try swapping the black wires to the wall controller.
What it actually ending up being, even though the instructions are very vague, but you have to match the pin frequencies on both wall unit and wireless remote and then do the learn procedure.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.